Capacitors in series. There is equal distribution of charge on the plates in series combination of capacitors, but different potential difference. There will be potential difference between the plates of capacitor 1, potential difference between the plates of capacitor 2, and potential difference between the plates of capacitor 3. Then total potential difference is equal to potential difference between the plates of capacitor 1 plus potential difference between the plates of capacitor 2 plus potential difference between plates of capacitor 3. But capacitance is equal to amount of charge over potential difference. We have to make potential difference the subject of the formula. Capacitance is over 1. Cross multiplication. Potential difference times capacitance is equal to potential difference times capacitance, which is equal to amount of charge times 1 is equal to amount of charge divided by capacitance on both sides. Capacitance cancels with capacitance. Therefore, potential difference is equal to amount of charge over capacitance. Then, instead of writing potential difference, we are going to write amount of charge over capacitance. Potential difference between the plates of capacitor 1 is equal to amount of charge over capacitance of capacitor 1. Instead of writing potential difference between the plates of capacitor 1, we are going to write amount of charge over capacitance of capacitor 1. Potential difference between the plates of capacitor 2 is equal to amount of charge over capacitance of capacitor 2. Instead of writing the potential difference between the plates of capacitor 2, we are going to write the amount of charge over capacitance in capacitor 2. Potential difference between the plates of capacitor 3 is equal to amount of charge over capacitance of capacitor 3. Instead of writing potential difference between the plates of capacitor 3, we are going to write amount of charge over capacitance of capacitor 3. Then, amount of charge over total capacitance is equal to amount of charge is common to this side. By omitting the amount of charge out, we are going to remain with 1 over capacitance of capacitor 1 plus 1 over capacitance of capacitor 2 plus 1 over capacitance of capacitor 3. Amount of charge cancels with amount of charge. Therefore, 1 over total capacitance is equal to 1 over capacitance of capacitor 1 plus 1 over capacitance of capacitor 2 plus 1 over capacitance of capacitor 3, which is a general formula when 3 capacitors are connected in series combination.